捉你啊！别，这个有一个尾巴，这个有一个，太好玩了！
Can you take a photo?
No, I can't.
关好别喂。
等一下，遮了耳朵就完了。好痒，好痒，好痒，好痒！好痒，好不好来？过来，过来！
Here's one on his shoulder.
他手里手上沾一点，这边不要，沾一点，沾一点。
啊，这是我爸爸。
好玩吗？你把它带走吧。你走，来吧，这边。
Vega and Patina, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Okay, now it's singing time for Amigo, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. The first song is a local children's song called Current Line. That means a guest come to visit. Okay, Amigo, let's sing in Mandarin. Okay, Amigo, let's do this one more time. Let's sing in Mandarin.
Current line,
He take a shortcut, but never mind. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Now the second song is in Malay. Now this song originates from Indonesia and is called Rasa Sayang. If I translate it, it simply means the feelings of love. Okay, Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang. Well done, amigo. Well done. Okay, the last song is in English. Anyone else? Okay, good. Now for the 6 of you, this song is for you. Let's sing. Yes, happy birthday to the 6 of you. And thank you for celebrating your birthday here in the Jurong Bird Park. Amigo has done very well this afternoon before he goes back in. Everyone wave and say bye-bye to Amigo. Amigo, your turn.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Africa, the Great White Pelican. Second pair from India, the Spot-billed Pelican. Now from Eastern Europe, now we have 3 Dalmatian pelicans. We have 7 pelicans on stage right now. And back to Africa, the birds with the long sexy leg, the Draco Flamingo. Now from South America, our beautiful and colorful macaws from up there and there. Then, ladies and gentlemen, our finale of birds. Let's give them a big hand.